I must commend ISI for convening this conference, very critical at this juncture, at the period when Parliament is suspended, and we have a rather vibrant, healthy discourse on the state of democracy and the future for this country. This is not unique, because the debate must continue, even in a more mature democracy, as one assumes, in the United States of America. The issue of legitimacy, democratic accountability, continue to become rather contentious, as you have observed in the last elections, presidential elections in the United States of America. But in Malaysia, it is more relevant and pertinent, precisely because it is not only the issue of fragility of democracy, but in the last few months, you have seen that the whole idea and principle of democracy have been somewhat subverted. The essential and fundamental question as regard to democracy is the issue of legitimacy and democratic accountability, to use Francis Fukuyama's phrase. Legitimacy is to ensure that you are either democratically elected or you represent the aspirations of the majority. There's a very fundamental principle that the present administration cannot stand. And in the light of the recent UMNO General Assembly, it only proves that the present administration is clearly not defensible and legitimate. Now, the second fundamental issue that I must address is the issue of democratic accountability. Politicians generally talk about democracy. Civil society seems to be supportive of that idea. Fine. But the essence is to question, number one, whether you are truly representing the majority, not only in terms of numbers, but the true aspirations of the people. Secondly, the issue of governance. The failure of many democracies, I'm not, of course, comparing to autocracies, but the so-called democracies, because of poor governance, the lack of coherence in terms of their policies, rampant corruption and general decadence, which has been tolerated and continue to be tolerated. I'm not here to defend any administration. The past, Barisan Nasional or Pakatan Harapan or Perikatan Nasional. I think what is important when you refer to the issue of democratic accountability is to ensure that the issues of governance, of democracy, of strong anti-corruption drive, which is becoming so systemic in this country, which is shameful if academics, elites seem to ignore. We ignore this to our own peril. People crave for power, not to serve, but to amass wealth. And in order to be effective, even if it needs to be deemed to be undemocratic, suspend parliament, oppress the majority or the minority, regardless, as long as they can amass as much wealth when they are in power.